Merry Christmas, Lucas.
Quick mukbang because ani in attire ani in hatol dua bang because she can't vlog for now because she's very tired.
Chúng ta hiện Vlogmas xiêm tra cần đủ xia buổi tiệc hi 2020 trong hàng cảnh love vlog thầu cho 2019 rồi kami.
Yes.
Oh.
But 2019 was different because I was very little back then.
Okay,
And
2019,
we
2021,
we didn't really
2022.
buy some stuff for Christmas.
Chúng ta hiện anh nào bộ piang về đó. Jordan hi thì rồi đấy. Jordan hi. Say hi, Jor.
Hi.
Yes, very good. Chúng ta hiện ní Luca rồi mukbang nga. Ay apa yang itu lah siam sakcar cara. Deh, betul lah. Rồi đó. 2023 Christmas ni Luca hi. Ang chen nghe ai thei cái end đó ni. Ama hi ai le in tui mi ni Afela Luca hi tun kum Christmas pay to afel kop may.
Totally, if Santa Claus is gonna let me on the nice list. What's this?
Okay, vlogging. We're vlogging.
Funny trash mukbang part 1. Yeah. What is it, Annie? What is this? Some type of prank or something?
Na yan Luca hi.
Hey, Annie. Kill prank now, oh mommy.
Zain to prank don law cause I'm tired. Alo say to ang ka chao de wa ko prank don law ma se poisa ka sing nem lut tu gani. Hey hi.
Blueberry. I think
it can man. Lo se lo te.
It paid the wazi.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's better.
Tu na yan Christmas present ka leho. A gift or ka leho ka pedon ni. Hey hi October ti. Sampat zaman.
Blueberry.
Oh, prime
I heard it
blueberry.
can glow in the dark.
Is it? Are you sure about
I
that?
think so. It's just that it needs to absorb the
Hindi
wind
lang
of
lang
light.
video content.
Right here. You might have seen this before. Because I know you're American.
Okay. Chuan hi adu ngayon niya ama hen list asya ka handwriting na lut tugmay na ron siya kape ka naging handwriting book ron dala nga handwriting na ron siya kape ka Christmas adu ho hey here and do book ka hey important hili na kalawli ka say it's good, it's a Christmas time, so this is the time for giving and showing love to our dear ones. That's why I'm giving you the best of the best. Are you happy?
Is this another gum?
Yes, another gum. Hey,
I don't know what type of flavor this is, but this is another type of sour cream. Expensive for one, and with one that came from actual America.
Okay.
America.
Chuanin tuna kape letter 2. Hey, Jor, kape letter. Oh, Jor, this is for you, Jor.
What's this?
Okay.
What's this?
Sprinkles. Okay, ka.
A very loud mukbang would come.
Another drink, but sugar free.
Oh, I know another cheap version of sugar free.
Look at you. Look at this. Pink and blue.
Why am I being so? I'm spoiled.
This spoiled people. Okay, this is for Jordan. Okay.
I'm spoiled.
Jor, kalik. Jor lang lo, Tina. Okay. Say thank you. Thank you, Jor. Thank you. Take this.
Yay! I really want to drink, but I don't want to drink
Pink.
my
Yes.
yet.
And what about this? What color is this jar?
Oh,
Blue. Good boy, ka.
Jordan, I tap it.
Oh, I know. Oh, ito pa. Like. Okay, open it.
Oh, thank you, Jordan.
Oh, ama open.
Open.
Open, Rodi. Okay. Hey, boy, ka bute. Ka, Jor. This one is for Jor.
This one is for Jordan.
Okay.
Jordan.
Eh, ito dulo mi. Bili may dulo mi.
I don't know. Anji, we have the wrapper.
Eh po.
And then
Jor. Mali yung Jor na safe lo. Ha, pala. Okay. Jor, hey, hilom. Zay na kan A-tour. Wait.
chocolate.
Hey, Zay na. Try out your Lucas, ah.
What's that?
Black, potato crisp, black,
What's
plain,
this?
spicy madness. No artificial coloring. Hey, at hak, look, to get the ghost pepper.
My toilet is gonna be my best friend tonight.
Okay, kita akan eat doon eh.
I'm eating shit
Are you
from
ready, Luke?
No. Yes.
Stop eating eh.
Ask me why I'm gonna cry. Can we do the chocolate cheese?
Oh, chocolate chips.
Wow.
Oh, wow, alright. Wow. Yummy, yummy. Eat it.
Yeah, we got that.
Eat it, Jar.
Yum.
Wow, so good. Así lang tu kan lu sẽ tiêm mấy rồi. Với tiên hay là try rồi thì thế nào?
Most prime is done. Also, Mr. Commenter, who said something that I don't want to tell my auntie about. I do not care. Hello.
Look at A2, eat it.
I need to go to the toilet. Rip.
Ghost pepper.
No!
Try it.
Just a lick.
Thật nổi chẳng ấy. Let me try this.
It's very tasty and it's just ham though. But don't eat too much.
But they open the
Mint of Christmas and pumpkin.
No! Kasi do...
No, just open it. It's okay.
Oh yeah, Santa's gonna give me another prime bottle.
Are you sure?
Yes, I think so. I asked him. I'm not sure if he's gonna give me, but if he doesn't give me,
Which flavor?
I don't know. This is the newest one actually. I think.
Is it?
So I'm lucky.
Who's the best aunt? Okay, open. You want it? Yeah, if you're singing, I have them.
It tastes so good.
Eat and roll something.
It tastes better than other. It tastes better than most of the primes.
Yeah, the taste is really good. They're all
Ani, wait, the taste is familiar. Wait, there's just
bubblegum taste.
wait, Adi. No, it tastes like something that I might have tasted a bit before.
Ocean taste. That drink.
It tastes kind of like ocean and bubble gum and other stuff at the same time.
Pretty good. Prime in lovely chuan. Glowberry here. Actually. What's that?
All of the flavors except for grape. Don't ever buy grape. That flavor is trash.
What, George? What do you want? What do you want, George? What do you want?
Okay.
Do you want me to open this?
Okay.
Do you want me to open this, George?
Okay.
Yes, Tara, yes.
Say yes. Alright.
Yes.
Say Annie, please.
Please.
Say thank you. Thank you, Tira.
Ani, kalau betul.
Okay.
That's actually waffles.
This good?
The most trashiest mukbang ever. Welcome.
Now we're going to làm được this.
Oh, no, scary.
I want to try this one. Do you want to try this one?
I guess.
Shall we open it?
Chuan thei kain. Because
Oh, it's safe to allow.
oh.
Oh, have you tried this before?
No, but it seems cool.
This is good, not bad. You have to. Try to explain.
But it has a bit of a bittery taste at the end of.
This sprinkles cost 350 rupees.
That is not Pringles, Ani. That is Elon. You just bought Elon Musk in another one.
In a tumsumani. Kasi Christmas niya, Christmas chuanin kan ay park lo te kan ay chentro nem. Christmas time chuan kan in duat chira chuan chan boite po adu ang list ho kha atlom kon zong ro tia wa sa ke ma thiam lo nya atlom zor na ha ka shelawa tro bite
Yes.
he dem ne poi exam ni kha dor da nga chuan I shet kha 99 70 ne tro ke ma chan 215 ke lo le
A bit cheap.
imported ho le le ya
Calculator.
India siam ni lawin sabang ma kan la kha ka lo le ya tro bite ni chan ni ne tro last message so to me la tro
Tomorrow's gonna be fun, and we're gonna try to vlog it if we can, alright? And should I end it or should we just...
bye thank you for watching our YouTube video like
I hope I don't mess this up in the, like that cycle video.
oh Jar
Subscribe button.
oh hit the subscribe button
Hey, don't do that.
oh alright okay like and subscribe bro. Like and subscribe bro.
Hey, you know, mommy, they can hear you. What's this? What's this?
video YouTube video this is yours
Subscribe button. Subscribe button.
yes subscribe button like hit the subscribe button
Wait, don't do that. Hey, subscribe button. Wait. Hey! Subscribe.
okay bye
Wait, no,
say bye bye
This is it. So, I hope I don't mess this up again.
Merry Christmas everyone
Merry Christmas.
okay tuna chuanin kumdanga kan lo ti to angin kumdanga kan lo ti to angin present kan on hong do na ni bite nen Jordan chu ni kha Jordan ha bite oh ala thau do lawa in khom kan ngai sia sit down bite
Why do I have to sit down?
oh dia Christmas along bite chwa ta chut hi Masi
That's for the
2023 Christmas niya boite ne hen kumtin vlogmas kan nei thina tun kuma po hen kan ron nei le don ne bidi soi du ne Christmas message
Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas in chung ko in dam takin Christmas in lo hanga Christmas chu nu le pa thu oi hunte pi le pu dwat hunte ni te thu oi hunte ania Christmas a chan mi te chan pui te thu oi kha poi mo ber right bite po thu oi a chu wang chun ne hey mas putarin gift tam good morning Jar aron thau chia hey Merry Christmas si bai
Like this.
good bye tuna hianin babe gift kan hong to do ni hey Jar a ping to ni ko wa sa la no te lu ka la se thiam lo wa tro ba pui bite Kaya Jora hiya tatur san thai na alo pe
The big one. The very big one.
Jora tat homo to bela trobe ke ni ga
I guess.
okay with that right ready
I think it's... I can already see it. Santa didn't even wrap it correctly.
That's because it's so maybe.
Are you happy?
Wow.
Are you happy, Jora? Happy Christmas, or Merry Christmas, or Merry Christmas, or
What is it, Lampuy?
PSCB truck.
Lampuy.
Okay, let's sit down. Okay. What? This is so fun. Like and subscribe. Oh, like and subscribe. Yeah, hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's go. Oh, yes. Hey, video ke subscribe button. Hey! Open. Woo! This is so fun. Wow! Merry Christmas jar! Woo! Merry Christmas! Nè, hôm nay lúcกันกินเดี๋ยวเพื่อนเอาเป็นมาสั่งเพื่อนอาทิตย์นี้กันห้องมาสั่งอ่ะ Okay, come on, July. Merry Christmas. All right, coming. Oh, take this one. Okay, ngheกันห้องเลยเอาไปเจอ Are you ready? Take a guess. What?
Yeah, I think that's for the
I think this is for Jordan. Wait. Come on.
Oh, all right.
Jordan?
Yeah, Jordan.
spider.
Ensuing spider.
Spider.
I love this wrapping paper. No, I love it. I find that it's for your. Hello, it's him.
Oh.
Wow.
For toddlers, I guess.
Like that?
Oh, I got it. Garage. Even he quiet book vehicle he. Oh, hey.
What's a flag? Come on.
Yes, come on. Oh, there you go. All right. What is this?
Where are you?
Why fly guy and big question answer that are no fly guy? What? What?
I think that's for Bolivia.
Oh, it's for Luke.
It's like question book.
Wow, that's very good.
Oh, this is cool. It's like a quiz book except look, why does your heart beat? Your heart is a muscle. It works like a pump. Every time your heart sneezes, it pushes blood through your arteries. Your blood brings oxygen to different parts of your body. Like that.
Okay, we did. Knowledge of game after trip doesn't have science.
But why is it so heavy?
Do you like? Jude? Oh, surprise! What? Merry Christmas! Anh này đã đấy. Ui cần không này còn đôi như chả.
Very crumbly.
Hay Merry Christmas gì à?
He used the wrapping paper for me, so
Yeah. What? Eh? Oh my. Oh my.
now I have soap.
What is this?
You keep this.
Okay, what is it?
Pop tarts are pop tarts.
Tuyển.
Yes.
What's this? Ah, yes. What's this?
Anyway, can I save these food ones because
Yes,
I like to keep this with my soup.
Okay. Oh my. Mấy cái đồ kia.
So that one, I think pop tarts.
Mà khi tôi thấy đi đúng không? How open is the number quiz?
Wait. I think this is for me and Jordan. It's like the Lego thing that I used to have when I was a child.
Come, come, come.
I need her to open.
Wait. Come, come. Come on, come on. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. There you go. Happy? Tôi cùng chú ấy chú với cái gì chú. Perang.
What?
What? Another one. Whoa. Put the other color, right? Green. Again?
Okay, I meant the lemonade flavor, but I did not. Okay.
You asked for. Oh, he asked for lemonade. You lemon lime.
But who cares?
It's alright.
Next time, New Year, I'll get it for you. Lemonade.
But I mean, it's basically like prime, but lemonade flavor.
All right. It's the same, right? This one is good. Metamon is also good.
No, but the moon.
Okay, you want me to open this? Okay. Si Boy, put rock.
Here you go.
Sure.
What? Why is
Sure,
it
sure.
spicy?
Sure.
What is this?
Sure. Hi, Sure.
Still look big.
Hi, yeah, I'm good.
Anish will go in
Very hot. Hey.
This is from where? The manufacturing country? This is from America. America.
North Pole?
Hey, tur lampang hi kan cha na sa abi again prime hi ni za na prime ba dong tua hey po hi tui don kan try na bi te I taste and let
Yes, but this one, I'm keeping it because this one is Metamoon and also it has a different shape, which means
I think it's same with the one that I bought for you.
this is different.
You know the first prime that I bought.
No, I mean it kind of tastes different for me.
Oh, alright.
Citron
Citron
bread.
Can we try this one? I would like to know the taste. Oh, alright. The next satana save to ni kan.
It tastes like bubble gum.
Bubble gum.
I've heard it off of YouTube before. That's all.
Alright, that's good. Okay, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to the vlog.
Don't forget.
Okay, bye everyone. In comment ngay rồi share ngay to. Bye.
Cái tôi xem cái nhiều lâu. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Alright, hey, tonight hianin Ram family movie kan endo na buite le apale anunen Jordan at su
It probably
kan
boring
shoy lo le ni
one.
kumapo kan shoy lo Jordan ai ju alate de wa chan buite en pe bak lo ingkasya ngati chan
The only reason I'm coming is for the food.
food wang chau ani big lo ni akwa
I'll just close my eyes.
di sa en don lo ni chu buite kan mo anyway Christmas ania apa hian dar som pani le chan ve movie ticket alo la ni kan chuang ania tuna hian 12:28 ania minute ni kan la nei chaltang bong kon chho kal na turin 2 minutes kan na nei
It's Durklang Chou.
dur tlang chho enge in Christmas card imudan kan biak in kha lo nal to pa khan la north biak in an lo sala to pa achung kha erang ka te ka en phan talawa engei mudan butin nang kan biak in kha engei mudan
It was a biakin.
biakin mo analiti lo me naliti mo bisara ma kan biakin na beram yes bisara ma CLS school at beram Christmas is fun with Lucas. Buti apian ma chan Christmas is boring kan tin tapa. Buti aron pian no han afana buti hi hindi ko mangai pen ka buti.
Don't say it.
Why?
Embarrassing.
What embarrassing? Itu ani kumen sang ini boleh. Mo, kumen sang ini.
10.
Oh, 10. Aku apian kum tu谁的了嘛？是kum tu谁的？头天那年做。Okay.
9.
Okay, 9 yan niya. Ito na yan. Kung hindi rin ang vlog, pero bite. Niem. Kando to kang. Hey. Ito na yan. Hey, sama po ya. Tiket na siya. May ma. Eh, dahil sa pa nila sa niya ito. Lucas sa tumbur bukan. Bayin sa Lucas ay achante bula o machakso kang mase tiket kan la to siya. Alung oy fala. Budi lo karo le. Come, hurry up, look. Oh. Look at nui look la. Look at tal ta chu. Tu na yan, bete ahim to in ka siya. Tira bete. I happy them. Bete nim na bertu. Ngay hasit le. Friends. Hi everyone. Like and subscribe. Upo lang sak don to kahe.
Happy na ti mo ah.
Happy bulakan ko may robit ka.
Yeah.
See? Wait, what color is that? He's here.
Black.
What color is this?
Pink.
What color is this one?
Pink.
What color is this one?
Blue.
Good boy. But then what color is Apa?
Brown.
What color is